Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home during this pandemic, that is COVID-19, and applying all the precautionary measure for the safety of your family and yourself also. So today we are going to teach you chapter fast planning in sports of plus 2 class. It is the part 6 of this chapter. In previous chapters we did what is planning, objectives of planning, committees, how many committees are required in a program when we do planning, and after that tournaments we completed, types of tournament completed, league tournament we completed, knockout tournament, how to divide teams, upper half, lower half, how to give buys in upper half, lower half, or how to check out the buys, how many buys are required in a tournament. So today we are going to do how to decide winners through these two methods are given in your book. One is British method, second one is American method. So it is on league basis. If tournament is there on league basis, then we will apply these formula for check out the winners. At first, British method. Here two things are there. If team won the match, so team will grab 2 points. If team lose the match, then 0. If draw is there, then 1 point. Total percentage we have to find. So formulas are there to check out the percentage, or through that formula we can decide the winners easily if the tournament is organized on league basis. Suppose total match 8. It is, we are taking as a example. A team league basis, total number of matches are 8. Team won 7 matches, draw 1 matches. Here two things we will keep in our mind. Total possible point. Total possible point, what is the possibility? If a team out of 8 win 8 matches, then one match, if a team won the one match, then 2 points team will get. So out of 8, it means 16 point. 7 matches team won, it means total point 7 multiplied 2, 14 points. 1 match draw, it means 1 point. So here total possible point 16, winning match or winning point 14, draw 1. So now further we will do it will plus 1, so it will become 15. 14 plus 1, 15. So now formula is there, total point divided by possible point multiply 100. It stands for total point, it is for possible point. Now total point 15, total possible point 16, multiply 100. Now we have to solve this. After solving this, 93.57% something answer will be there, you will do on your behalf. So it is the British method. Keep in your mind total point, how many matches a team win, then 14, one match, if a team win one match then team will get 2 point, if team lose the match 0 point, if the match goes draw then 1 point. So according to this method, total points 15, possible points means if out of 8 matches a individual or team win, then 16 point they can get, or multiply with 100. It is the method to calculate the winner. Second one, American method. American method. Here we will count total number of match. Same formula, only on behalf of these total matches. Suppose total match 8, team won 6. So find out the winners. Formula we will apply. Team 1 divided by total match multiply 100. So here 6, team won the match 6, total match 8, multiply 100, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 4, it means 75%. So through these method we can find out the winners, we can decide the winner if the tournament organized on behalf of league method. Now some special programs are organized by the authority, by the federations, for the recreation of the society, for the bring the focus on health, or for any special cause. Some things, some sports program, some races organized by the federation or authorities in our society. So we will talk about this. Specific sports program. Specific sports program means a reason is there to conduct these type of tournament, any type of motivation, any type of knowledge delivered to the people, or any type of charity to collect the money for the poor people, for the physical challenged people in society. These are the cause behind specific sports program. These programs organized by the government or any private authority all over the world. Purpose same. So at first we will do health run. Health run. These type of tournament organized by the authorities to bring the focus on health of the people, how to become healthy, how to live a positive life without any general disease, or how we can improve our lifestyle, or we can create health or wealth in our society through physical education or through running programs. These type of health run organized by the authorities, purpose behind that same to aware the people for their health. Purpose physical fitness, weight loss, good habits, positive lifestyles. Many more are there, but reason of these type of running to focus on the physical, mental, social health of the people. Second one is Sports Day. As you know, focus in India, in our schools, focus is there on academics more than sports. But Sports Day also celebrate by the schools or organizers in the respective schools. We celebrate the Sports Day on 29th of August. Birthday of Major Dhyan Chand. One more thing, we know him as a magician of hockey. What elderly people said that how much control he have on the ball through his stick, nobody had in past time. Or even Adolf Hitler offered him a great job in his army when there was the Olympics held in 1936 in Berlin. So he was a great player. So on his birthday in India, all the organization, all the schools celebrating the Sports Day. Or one more thing, Indian government providing the Sports Gallantry Award to the sports person on the same day, 29th of August. Purpose behind that, schools or organization conduct the tournament of different games, even athletic meet they can conduct on that day, different game, individual athletic activity or special individual like separate game, volleyball tournament, basketball tournament, handball tournament or multiple game tournament they organize on this day. Purpose behind this, one is focus on fitness, second one recreation of students, improve awareness toward games and sports. But focus in our schools, we can say academics are dominating in our schools rather than sports activity. But nowadays, day by day, it is improving. Many facilities are provided by the governments in schools, or many sports nurseries are opened where sports facilities are there. Even Indian government choose the places. If anybody show that all the facilities are there of the games, students or players can do practice easily. Ground is there, ground equipments are there. So government provide the funds to the head of the institution. Many more reasons are there of sports day. Health awareness, focus on physical education and sports, recreational activity, even to check out the talent, bring out the talented student from through sports activity. Third one, run for specific cause. Specific cause, here we can say to aware the people, from any disease like AIDS, yeah, we can say HIV, cancer, or nowadays we can say COVID-19. Many more are there. One more thing, charity. Those are the famous sports personalities in India, like Sachin Tendulkar. They retired. Recently they conducted a tournament of retired cricketers. They make the teams, 3-4 teams, or they conduct the tournament in Australia for the charity to collect the money for specific cause. It is for maybe a challenged person or any type of society. In society any disease is there, like polio, to aware the people about HIV, to aware the people about cancer. So these are the causes to conduct a race or marathon in a country for the charity fund, or to ameliorate the situation in our society regarding diseases. Last one is there, run for unity. Run for unity means to unite the unification of the society, unification of the people in a country. These type of races conducted. In these type of races there is a road race, we can say cross country. It is of 12 kilometers. Recently that our Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji inaugurate a unity race that is called Run for Unity on the birthday of Shri Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, or the name of this event given, Run for Unity. Its name is on the first Home Minister of India. He was Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. Reason that unity word match with his personality, because India divided on that time near about I think 562 different states. So he unite these states or unite our countries. Many were want different country, so he convinced the people of the particular areas to merge them in India. So my dear student, for today this much. In next part we will do about seeding, or that will be of part 7, in which we will discuss about the seeding method. Then our chapter will over. In next part very soon we will meet. So for today this much. Sabhi ko namaste. Take care of your health. Thank you.